Hello! Today I'm making molten chocolate cakes. They have a deep chocolate flavor and a deliciously creamy center. Melt the butter and chocolate over very low heat. This is to avoid them burning. If you have a gas stove that can't reach very low temperatures, melt the butter and chocolate in a bowl, set over a pan of simmering water. That method is called bain-marie. Whisk the egg and sugar together. Then add the flour and the melted chocolate. Butter 5 ramekins and sprinkle them with sugar. This ensures that it will be easy to remove the cakes in the end. Pour the batter into the ramekins. Bake them at 200 degrees Celsius or 390 Fahrenheit for about 8 minutes. The center of the cakes should still be runny. Flip each cake over a serving plate. Shake the ramekin a bit and the cake will easily slip off. There you go! Perfect chocolate cakes with a creamy center. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. There's a new one every week. Also let me know which other recipes you'd like to see, and thanks for watching.